Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, I'm glad to see you here. Anyway, so for today's video, as you guys can see already in the title, I'm gonna do another fall clothing haul, but this time is from Yesstyle. All of the clothing is gonna be from Yesstyle, and I'm also gonna leave the link on my description bar below. Thank you so much, Yesstyle, for sponsoring today's video. So anyways, first I'm gonna show it to you guys, like the pieces that I picked from the Yesstyle website, and I'm also gonna try them on just so you guys know what it looks like on me. For preference, I am 5'1". So what I'm gonna do is show you the clothing first, and then I'm gonna do a little try on after. So I picked up two blazers from Yesstyle. Am I way too bright? Okay, hold on. I feel like I'm way too bright, but this is the first one, which is the black blazer. Like I said, I will leave the link of these blazer, all the clothing that I will be mentioning in today's video in my description bar below. So yeah, this is the black blazer, and I also picked up a khaki brown color. Both of these colors perfect for fall, not just fall, like all year around. This is perfect. It's a staple, as a must have to have in your closet. But yeah, this is the brown one look like, and surprisingly they have pockets on the side, which is so cool because most blazers don't have any pockets, but yeah, this one got two side pockets, and there's these buttons here. And also I got this size, forgot what I got, but I'll probably put the size in somewhere in the screen or in the link below. And this is the black, same with the black one. It has two pockets on each side right there. So this is like the side by side. So cute. Okay, so the next one we have here is this vest in the color khaki. They do have a different type of they have, I think, couple of colors available on their website right now, but I choose the khaki, kind of like brownish dirty brown color, because hello, it's fall time. So yeah, it's like a crop vest, and vest is still in. I have a couple of vests that I also thrifted, and I cannot wait to style this. But yeah, this is what they look like. It's very light. It's not heavy, so it's very perfect for fall. Okay, the next one we have here is also another perfect for fall. It's this long sleeve, and I think you can just unbutton this as well. What I'm planning on styling this is like just maybe wear like a bralette, like any nude bralette or like black bralette, and then kind of like unbutton everything. And I could also, you know, button them and wear like any high-waisted pants. It's a really, like I said, it's perfect for fall. I love this so much. It's just very it's very lightweight. It's not too like heavy, like it's very lightweight, and I love the quality of this piece as well. That's the kind of like close-up right there. Love it. It's very soft as well, and this is in the size medium, right? This one, cute. I have a few more here, so we can do the try on now. I have a couple of socks because I don't know if you guys watched my previous vlog. I purchased Doc Martens shoes, the 1461 shoes, and I have been trying to like wait to wear that shoes until I receive these socks, because it's just like the perfect socks. These are the socks that I pick, which is, I think this is the ruffled one right here. So freaking cute in white. I love it. And this one as well. I think this is the set. So this is the set, and this came itself. So the set, I got the cream white and black. This is another ruffled socks as well. It reminded me when I was in kindergarten. I had these socks when I was in elementary school. But yeah, these are still in. I love these socks. And then last but not the least, if you guys know me, you know I love me some claw clips. So I picked this claw clip in the color green. I love it. It's just love it. I cannot wait to you know, use this as well, because you know me, I have a long thick hair, so can't wait to use this and style this as well. So anyways, let's start with the try on. Okay, so this is the first blazer look like. It's so freaking cute. I love it. It's perfect for, like I said, it's very perfect for fall or like all year around. I love the fit of this blazer. It's good. I love the cut. I love it. Everything about this blazer I love, and it's not too heavy. It's very lightweight, so if it's like still 70 something plus outside, I can just like wear these easily. And love it. You can style this up, you can style this down, you can style this with a high-waisted, not even just high-waisted, like if you are into like low rise or like mid-size jeans, then it's up to you. You can literally style this anyway, anything you want. But yeah, I think I'm gonna style this with jeans or like leggings, like black leggings, or if not black leggings, black jeans or any type of jeans. And this is the black blazer. It's giving business vibes. I love this as well. Love the fitting. Everything is just amazing. I love it. It's so freaking cute. And you can also bottom them if you want, like if you want to be more like businessy looking, and then you can like wear trousers. That would be like a business look. But I just love this look so much. Oh my god, look at this vest. I'm wearing biker shorts right now because I'm just like filming in the house, but it actually looks good together as well. Oh my god, I love this. I really love the feel. It's not itchy feeling. I love it. It's very lightweight, and you can accessorize this vest, and you can even wear, if it's a little bit cold. I think I'm gonna be planning on wearing this by itself, or I can also wear this with my white button up or any other color of my no, I think white is much better, especially with this khaki color vest. It's perfect for fall. And then black jeans. That's gonna be my new uniform. But yeah, I love this vest so much. Okay, I freaking love this long sleeve. It is so freaking cute. I love it. I freaking love it. It's like a buttery soft. That's how I feel wearing this one. It's so soft and very lightweight at the same time, but like keeps me like warm. And oh my god, the sleeves are amazing. Wow, look at that sleeve. It's so freaking cute. And like I said, you can wear this, like I'm planning on wearing like this. And also if I have like a cute bralette, like any nude bralette, I'll just unbutton them down. That would be 100% more cuter as well. That is it for this haul, you guys. And like I said, I will leave everything in the description bar below if you guys are interested on any of these items or any of this clothing. I'll promise to leave all the link in my description bar below. So anyways, I hope you guys love this haul as much as I did. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I mean, you made this far, might as well join the little family. Anyway, besties, I'll see you guys on my next video.